mga classmates! It's me, Mykene, and this time pag-usapan natin kung paano isolve yung volume ng cubes and cuboids. Pero bago yon, make sure na marunong ka nang mag-multiply ng whole numbers at decimals. Kung hindi pa, maglalagay ako ng video sa baba, so make sure to check it out. By the way, ang mag-subscribe ay makakatanggap ng message galing kay Crush. Uy! At ang mag-skip naman ng ads ay magkakaroon ng buo-buong libag sa kilikili. Ew! Ready ka na? Tara, perfectin natin yung quiz mo. Alam mo ba na maraming pinagkapareha ang cubes at cuboids? Ang cube at cuboid ay parehong mayroong 6 faces. 8 vertices, at 12 edges. Ang mga edges na ito ay may special names tulad ng length o yung haba, width o yung kapal, at height o yung taas. Ang length, height at width ng cube ay laging pare-pareho ng measurement. Ibig sabihin, kung ang length ay 10 centimeters, yung height at yung width ay 10 centimeters din. At kung yung length naman ay 24 inches, ibig sabihin, yung width at yung height ay 24 inches din. So instead na tawagin silang length, height at width, pwede rin natin silang tawaging sides. To solve for the volume of a cube, we will use the formula V equals S cube or volume equals side times side times side. And to solve for the volume of a cuboid, we will use the formula V equals LWH. Ibig sabihin, volume equals length times width times height. At ikaw ay inabutan ng unlucky palakol. Fun fact, mukhang number 7 yung palakol. Kaya palakol ang tawag sa mga grades na line of 7. Ano, hindi mo pa rin ba tatapusin tong videong to? Tara, try natin. Find the volume of this cube. Dahil cube yan, ang gagamitin nating formula ay V equals S cube, or volume equals side times side times side. So let us bring down V. Yung side natin ay 8 centimeters. So sulat natin dito, 8 times 8 times 8. Then we can simplify 8 times 8. So magiging V equals 64. And then let us bring down 8. So 64 times 8 is equal to 512. At dahil centimeters yung unit of measurement, don't forget to include cubic centimeters. So the volume of this cube is 512 cubic centimeters. Isa pa. This time, let us solve the volume of this cuboid. Dahil cuboid to, ang gagamitin nating formula ay V equals LWH, or volume equals length times width times height. So let us bring down V. Ang length natin ay 20 yards. Yung width naman ay 6 yards. At yung height ay 8 yards. By the way, walang problema kung nagkarambol-rambol yung sulat mo dyan. So, pwedeng 8 times 20 times 6 o kaya 6 times 8 times 20. Pareho pa rin yung magiging final answer mo. So, let us simplify 20 times 6. Magiging V equals 120. Then, let's bring down 8. 120 times 8 will give us 960. At dahil yards yung unit of measurement, don't forget to include cubic yards. So the volume of this cuboid is 960 cubic yards. Panis, di ba? Hirapan natin ng konti. This time, lagyan natin ng decimals. By the way, kung hindi ka pa magaling mag-multiply ng decimals, check our description box below dahil maglalagay ako ng video link na pwede mong reviewin. Anyway, since volume ng cube ang hinahanap, we will use the formula V equals S cube. Ibig sabihin, V equals side times side times side. So let us bring down V. Yung side natin ay 2.6 inches. So sulat natin dito, 2.6 times 2.6 times 2.6. Then, multiply natin to. So magiging V equals 6.76. Then we can now bring down yung natirang times 2.6. Pag minultiply, magiging 17.576. At dahil inches yung unit of measurement, don't forget to include cubic inches in your answer. So the volume of this cube is 17.576 cubic inches. Ito pa. Siyempre, may decimals ulit. So dahil cuboid ito, ang gagamitin nating formula ay V equals LWH. Ibig sabihin, volume equals length times width times height. So bring down natin yung V. Yung length ay 10 millimeters. Yung width naman ay 1.5 millimeters. At yung height ay 2.3 millimeters. Again, walang problema kung alin man dyan yung mauna mong isulat. Pare-pareho pa rin yung magiging final answer natin after nito. So, multiply natin itong 10 times 1.5. Magiging V equals 15. Then we can now bring down times 2.3. Multiplying 15 and 2.3, we will get 34.5. At dahil millimeters yung unit of measurement, huwag kakalimutan isulat yung cubic millimeters. So the volume of this cuboid is 34.5 cubic millimeters. Ready ka na ba sa pangmalakasang level? Let us find the height of this cuboid. Intindihin muna natin yung problem. Kung kanina, sinosolve natin yung volume, this time, given na ito, which is 54 cubic feet. Given na rin yung length at width. Ang hinahanap natin ay yung height. So dahil cuboid ito, same pa rin yung formula natin, which is V equals LWH or V equals length times width times height. Dapat memorize mo na yan by now, ha? Dahil given na yung volume natin, which is 54, no need for us to bring down V. Instead, ang isusulat natin ay 54. Yung length naman natin ay 3 feet. Yung width ay 2. At yung height, dahil unknown, we will just leave it blank. So ngayon, pwede na nating i-multiply yung 3 times 2. So magiging 54 equals 6 times yung blank. So isiping mabuti. Anong number ba yung pag minultiply sa 6 ay magiging 54? Yes, 9. Ibig sabihin, yung height natin ay 9. At dahil feet yung given, don't forget to include feet here. Feet lang ha, hindi cubic feet dahil ang height ay 1 dimension at yung volume ay 3. So our height is 9 feet. Ito pa isang matinding problem mga classmate. So let us find the measurement of each side of the cube. Again, intindihin natin yung problem. Given na yung volume which is 27 cubic meters. Ang hinahanap ay itong side. So dahil cube ito, anong formula ang gagamitin natin? Yes, V equals S cube or V equals side times side times side. Dapat memorize mo na rin yan ngayon. Again, dahil given na yung volume, no need for us to bring down V. Instead, ang isusulat natin ay 27. Yung side naman natin ay unknown. So, ang gagawin natin, lalagay natin dyan ay blank. So, blank times blank times blank. Ngayon, isiping mabuti. Anong number ba na pare-pareho ang pag minultiply sa sarili niya ay magiging 27? Yes, 3. Dahil 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. Therefore, ang side natin ay equal sa 3. At huwag kakalimutan yung unit of measurement. Meters dahil yung side ay one-dimensional. So, the side of this cube is 3 meters. Try it! Testingin natin kung halimaw level ka na pagdating sa math. Find the volume of this cube. You can pause the video and play it again pag may sagot ka na. Since cube ito, ang gagamitin nating formula ay V equals S cube or V equals side times side times side. So let us bring down V. Yung side natin ay 16 centimeters. So sulat natin dito 16 times 16 times 16. Then let's multiply this part. So magiging V equals 256. Then yung naiwang times 16 ay pwede nating i-bring down. So, 256 times 16 equals 4,096. At huwag kakalimutan yung unit of measurement, cubic centimeters. So, the volume of our cube is 4,096 cubic centimeters. Nakuha mo rin ba? Yay! Again, pause this video and find the volume of the cuboid. Since cuboid to, ang gagamitin nating formula ay V equals LWH or volume equals length times width times height. So bring down natin yung V. Yung length naman ay 1 meter. Yung width ay 15.2 meters at yung height ay 0.5. So multiply natin yung 1 at 15.2. Magiging 15.2 din. Then, let's bring down times 0.5. Pag minultiply ito, magiging 7.6. At huwag kakalimutan yung unit of measurement, cubic meters. Therefore, our volume is 7.6 cubic meters. Nakuha mo ba? Kung oo, ikaw ay certified na matindi! Sana marami kang natutunan sa video na ito. Marami pa tayong videos on volume, so make sure to check it out. Till next time!